Welcome to a quick preview of the AI Capability Rollout Framework. This program is designed to guide a structured, real-world rollout of AI capability inside your organization. Rather than moving quickly from tool to tool, this framework follows a simple 90-day structure. Each stage builds on the previous one and focuses on establishing clarity, testing safely, and scaling responsibly. The goal is not speed. The goal is capability. Organizations rarely implement meaningful change overnight. New capabilities need time to be understood, tested, and integrated into existing workflows. A 90-day window provides a practical time frame to move from initial clarity to early adoption and measurable outcomes. It creates space for experimentation while still maintaining structure and accountability. The framework is divided into 3 stages. Stage 1 focuses on establishing clarity and defining guardrails. This ensures the organization understands where it stands and what responsible AI use should look like. Stage 2 introduces a controlled pilot. This allows teams to experiment safely within the boundaries established earlier. Stage 3 focuses on measuring results and scaling successful practices across the organization. Each stage builds confidence and capability before moving forward. It's important to remember that the goal of this framework is progress, not perfection. Early pilots are designed to learn what works and what is not. Small improvements made consistently over time can produce meaningful capability across an organization. The structure simply ensures those improvements happen safely and deliberately. As you move through this framework, remember again that the goal is not perfection. The purpose of a 90-day structure is to provide a clear path for organizations that want to begin adopting AI responsibly. Every organization is different. Some steps may move faster, and others may require more time. What matters most is building capability step by step, learning through controlled experimentation, improving processes, and gradually expanding what works. Small improvements compound over time, and organizations that approach AI adoption in a structured way tend to build stronger and more sustainable results. In the next lesson, we'll explore an important idea that often gets overlooked in technology adoption: why structure matters more than speed when introducing AI into your organization.